Hi there, how are you? I hope you watched the first mistake that one would commit while doing the Java program. In today's video, let's look at another mistake one will commit when you are a beginner and started to learn Java. Let's get started. Here is the code, and if you look at whenever we have a class, so we define a class which is an independent entity which has set of fields and set of methods encapsulated together, right? So here is the code for the order class, which has a default constructor, parameterized constructor, all good. Everything you have coded properly in this particular order class. Then what do? You create another class called tester class. So once you have created the tester class, which would help you to test this particular module that you have written. So what is required in order to check whether your particular class works as expected? So I have created an object and I'm printing the complete object. Then another object I'm creating of type order, which is referred by this. So same reference variable pointing to a different object. So your Java garbage collection would take place here. So automatically it will destroy this particular object. So in different timing. So let's not worry about it. Then I'm printing the detail of the order and calculating the total price. Everything is fine. But what is this error? Let's look at this. Why? Have you guessed it? Have you pointed the mistake? Yes. See, the tester class is there and you have created all these. After this, you are executing a system.out.println and it gives an error. And when I click on the error, it says multiple marker at this line, syntax error, misplaced construct, blah, blah, blah. So many. What exactly is the mistake? Yes, your guess is correct. So here, what do you need to do? Whenever you want to have an executable statement, it should be within the method, right? And this is a tester class, means I wanted to define the driver, that is your main method, which would test the functionality of the module, that is order.java. So what is missing here? Yes, public static void lowercase m main. And you know that you can specify the args. And now if you see, this is the main method. For that, there should be open and close curly braces. So which is matching, and for this it is matching. Now you see your code, will it work? Yes, it's all set. Right click and try to run this Java application. Is it working? Yes. But you see, what is this? It just prints system.out.println and I have put order, right? But it is just printing. In the assignment, there is a capital O order, which is a class name, some hash code it is printing. Let's catch up in the next video to understand how we can resolve this particular issue and print the whole object and its content. Instead of getting only the class name, I wanted to print the content of a particular order object. How to go about it? Let's catch up in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.